smiling at pumpkin. Watch it.
What is that, Rissa? What are you throwing? Are you throwing it for the birds? I know, he's gonna be mad.
Okay.
Go ahead. Are they eating all the popcorn?
No, you can't really go by it.
Look at all the birds. Are they getting it? Carissa, were they looking at you?
Okay, so Randy.
Birdie! We missed him. Hey, birdie! Here, birdie! Here, birdie!
Oh my God, we're so fun. No, we won't eat no more popcorn.
I know. They'll be like, more. Can we pop some more? He came back on her. Right. Instead of raccoons on our porch, we're gonna have seagulls on our porch. You're two birdies. He ate yours. It's so weird the way they're flying. They're just like staying right there. Ooh, it's cold out there. I said, woo, it's cold out there.